The World Health Organization is now declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic in the U.S. Coronavirus cases now stand at more than 1,000, and so far there have been 32 deaths. People in at least 38 states, including the District of Columbia, have tested positive for the virus. Michigan was the latest state to announce its first presumptive positive case. President Donald Trump addresses the nation tonight about the coronavirus, and he's considering a national disaster declaration and new travel advisories. He also spoke with the banking industry earlier today. All this as the White House urges people to get educated about the disease. Correspondent Owen Jensen begins our team coverage tonight. Owen?
That's right, Tracy. Here at the White House, the Surgeon General urging Americans to learn as much as they can about this virus to better protect themselves. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization making this big announcement.
Expressing alarm over mounting infections and inadequate government responses, the World Health Organization says the global coronavirus crisis is now a pandemic, but added that it's not too late for countries to act.
We're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction.
As states race to contain the coronavirus, last night in the White House briefing room, the Surgeon General with this warning.
Unfortunately, we are likely to see more deaths. We have not hit the peak of this epidemic quite yet.
Vast areas of U.S. life are being impacted, including bans on large public gatherings to try to limit contact with those who are infected. New York's governor says schools and other gathering places will be shut down for 2 weeks in a containment zone in New Rochelle, a suburb of New York City. The area accounts for the majority of the state's 173 coronavirus cases. And who's most at risk?
If you are immunocompromised, if you have chronic medical conditions, if you are over the age of 60, you are at higher risk. If you are a child or a young adult, you are less likely to be impacted by the coronavirus.
The vast majority of those infected recover from the new virus. But as the battle rages, so does the push to educate people to protect themselves and their families.
If we follow this prescription, we will overcome the coronavirus.
You can go to coronavirus.gov to learn more. A few other notes right now. The stock market really took a hit today, and more universities are holding classes only online. Tracy?
Thank you, Owen. Correspondent Owen Jensen reporting from the White House tonight.